Now, good morning, students. Today we are learn about various tests of divisibility from the chapter Playing with Number. So, first is test of divisibility by 2. So, rule: a given number is divisible by 2 only when its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, each of the numbers 60, 112, 244, 906 and 808 is divisible by 2 because in case of 60 the unit digit is 0, in 112 the unit digit is 2, in 244 unit digit is 4, in 906 unit digit is 6 and similarly in 808 unit digit is 8. Therefore, these all numbers are divisible by 2. Next, second is test of divisibility by 5. So, rule for this: a given number is divisible by 5 only when its unit digit is 0 or 5. Example: each of the numbers 55, 125, 750 is divisible by 5. In 55 the unit digit is 5, so 55 is divisible by 5. In second example 125, again unit digit is 5, so it is also divisible by 5. And in third example 750, unit digit is 0, so 750 is also divisible by 5. Next is test of divisibility by 10. Rule: a given number is divisible by 10 only when its unit digit is 0. Example: each of the number 90, 120, 230, 350 etc. is divisible by 10. Here in each number the unit digit is 0. So it is divisible by 10. Now, next is test of divisibility by 3. So, rule: a given number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. To understand this, we will take an example. So, in example, our number is 18,657. The given number is 18,657. In next step, we will add its digit. So, sum of its digits is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 27. And we know that 27 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 18,657 is also divisible by 3. Next is test of divisibility by 9. Rule: the given number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. To understand this rule, we will take an example. In example, we will take a number 27,981. So, the given number is 27,981. Therefore, sum of its digits is equal to 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 27. And we know that 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 27,981 is also divisible by 9. Next is test of divisibility by 4. So, rule is: a given number is divisible by 4 only when the number found by its last two digits is divisible by 4. To understand this rule, we will take an example. So, our number is 35,692. 2. The given number is 35,692. Number found by its last two digits is 92, which is clearly divisible by 4. Therefore, 35,692 is also divisible by 4. Now, next is divisibility by 8. Rule: a given number is divisible by 8 only when the number found by its last three digits is divisible by 8. To understand this rule, we will take an example. Our number is 5,70,312. So, the given number is 5,70,312. Number found by its last three digits is 312, which is divisible by 8. So, 5,70,312 is also divisible by 8. Next is test of divisibility by 11. A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11. To understand this, we will take an example. We have a number with us 8,63,478. So the given number is 8,63,478. So in first step, sum of its digit at odd places. So 8 plus 4 plus 6. 8 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 18. And sum of its digit at even places is 7, 3 and 8. 7 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 18. In third step, difference of the above sum is equal to 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, 8,63,478 is divisible by 11.